YouTube, this is the Two Cools doing. I'm doing a weather update for the snowstorm that's in NYC February 24th through 26th, 2010. It's like 4:08 right now p.m. I had an earlier video about 7:16 in the morning. Now it's 4. Guys, I'm here to show you how the weather is right now. So as you see, the snow's starting to stick on the sidewalk since the last 2 hours. Since the rain to make it all slushy like this, the snow's not really getting in this area due to the trees. Over here, you see it's starting to stick now. It's been a mess all day. Slush coming home from school half day. It's been a mess all day. Snow. They said about 1 inch of snow. Well, looks about like much more than 1 inch. That's about 2 inches, maybe 1 3/4. So they predicted wrong on that. So, but it's been a mess all day. School might be closed tomorrow because the winds are supposed to be. Whoa. Something just fell from there like a rock. So anyway, first they had the wind saying 20-30 miles per hour. Now it's suddenly jumped to 50 to 70 miles per hour. Now 70 miles per hour is right next to hurricane force, which is 75 to be considered hurricane force. So it's going to be a crazy storm. Different stuff blowing around and whatnot. So I'm going to show you the mess that it's made already. So we flip it and flip that. See, it's all slush. See, I made those before. See, it's not really like a sticky snow. When you stamp on it, it just splurts all over the place. Go to the slushy area now. The slush like sucks you in. You step on it, see, look. You know, I don't know if you saw that. Hold on. Yeah, let's go over here. Like that. Probably think I'm getting messy right now. Not really. The slush isn't that watery. It's just a slushy thing. Oh crap. Excuse my language, but my foot practically just got wet. You can see messy. The slush like sucks you in though. So see, it's real messy today. Tonight predicting 6 to 10 inches. Tomorrow 1 to 2 inches. Okay, stay tuned for weather updates right here on YouTube.